Hello students, in this practical we will study measurement of free space wavelength of a microwave for T10 mode. For that, connections are as follows. This is a first block, that is a Klystron power supply, and which is connected through this 8-pin socket to this reflex Klystron. This is a reflex Klystron, and reflex Klystron output is given to the isolator. Isolator provides frequency stability. Then next is this is a variable attenuator, and next block is this is a frequency meter. So this is a frequency meter. Then next is a slotted section. This is a slotted section, and on that the tunable probe is mounted, and output of this tunable probe is connected to the CRO. So this is a basically block diagram representation or connections of the our setup. Okay, so we will start the experiment by procedure. Before starting or making on this Klystron power supply, this beam voltage knob we have to keep on in a anti-clockwise direction. Okay, so keep it on anti-clockwise direction. Then reflector voltage knob, this reflector voltage knob we have to keep in clockwise direction. Then beam voltage, that is this knob, we have to keep on beam voltage, and we have to take AM modulation, that is we have to keep this knob on AM. Okay, this is a basic arrangement. Before constant that output, and after that we have to take first minima and second minima reading. So how to take first minima and second minima reading? So this is a slotted section. If you observe here, this is a main scale. So front shows this is a main scale, and this is a vernier scale. So this is a main scale and this is a vernier scale. So by moving this main scale, that is we have to vary the vernier scale. Observe here, 1 minute, we have to vary the vernier scale. So observe, we are varying now vernier scale. So vary the vernier scale and observe the square wave output. So square wave output is also varying, and observe here, ये देखो, output is now maximum, and we have to vary the vernier scale on left hand side. So left hand side को rotate करो उसको, और जहाँ पे भी मिनिमम आउटपुट हो जाएगा और फिर से बढ़ जाएगा, मीन्स डिक्रीज़ होके इंक्रीज़ हो जाएगा, वो पॉइंट पे स्टॉप करना है. ये देखो यहाँ पे डिक्रीज़ होके इंक्रीज़ हो रहा है, तो यहाँ पे स्टॉप करना है, एंड वी हैव टू मेजर वर्नियर स्केल एंड मेन स्केल रीडिंग. So main scale reading is that reading that we have to measure. These are the main scale reading from 6 to 19. These are the main scale reading, and we have to measure which line is matching to this 0 to 10 line from this main scale line. Okay, and we have to take the reading. And next is a vernier scale reading. From this we have to match 0 to 10 lines. One of the line is matching to the upper main scale reading. Okay, and we have to take the reading. So main scale reading we have observed in this practical is a 9.9, and vernier scale reading is a 0.09. Combine both the reading, we will get 9.99. Then this is called as a D1. So next we have to find out second minima. That is we have find out first minima. Then in second minima we have to again rotate slotted section on left hand side. At that time observe on square wave output carefully. Again decreases square wave output, we observe. So we have to stop here. There is a change, small change, so here we will stop, and we will get the second maxima. So second maxima, for that we have to again take the main scale reading and vernier scale reading. By observing carefully, we have got these readings. That is main scale reading is a 12.2 and vernier scale reading is a 0.07. If you add, we will get 12.27. okay. Then we have to find out lambda g, that is a guided wavelength, which is given by twice of d2 minus d1. So twice of 12.27, this value, and minus 9.99, we will get 4.56 centimeter. Then we have to find out cutoff wavelength, which is given by lambda c is equal to twice of a, where 2 into 2.286, where a is a inner waveguide diameter. मीन्स ये जो वेवगाइड है इसका इनर वेवगाइड डायमीटर जो है 2.286 स्टैंडर्ड्स गिवन बाय manufacturer. We will get lambda c 4.572 centimeter. Then we have to find out f is equal to c by lambda 0. Before finding this, we have to calculate lambda 0. We have formula 1 upon lambda 0 is equal to under root of 1 upon lambda g square plus 1 upon lambda c square. Therefore 1 upon lambda 0 square, put the values of lambda g, that is 4.56 square, and lambda c 4.572 square. By calculating, we will get lambda 0 is equal to 3.23 centimeter. So put that value, that is a guided wavelength value, or free space wavelength lambda 0 value. We have calculated this free space wavelength lambda 0 3.23, and put that value in this formula c upon lambda 0. C is 3 into 10 raised to 10 upon 3.23. We will get this value in gigahertz, 9.2 gigahertz. So by using or finding first minima and second minima, that is we have moved. Observe here, one of will again show you, that is this is a first position of this vernier scale. We have to rotate that. Observe carefully on CRO, there is a decrease in wavelength of a square wave output. So जहाँ पे भी वो आउटपुट मिनिमाइज हो जाएगा, कम हो जाएगा, और वहाँ पे स्टॉप करना है, तो यहाँ पे मिनिमाइज हो जाता है. ये देखो ये मेन आउटपुट है. अभी मैं रोटेट कर रहा हूँ तो ये मिनिमाइज हो रहा है. ठीक है, आउटपुट जहाँ पे भी कम हो जाएगा और फिर से बढ़ने लगेगा, वहाँ पे स्टॉप करने का, तो यहाँ पे स्टॉप करने का. तो दिस इज फर्स्ट मिनिमा. अगेन इन सेकंड मिनिमा आउटपुट जो है, ये देखो स्क्वायर वेव आउटपुट बढ़ रहा है, अगेन कम हो जाएगा, वहाँ पे स्टॉप करना है. और मेन स्केल एंड वर्नियर स्केल, दिस मेन स्केल एंड वर्नियर स्केल रीडिंग लेना है. एंड बाय कैलकुलेशन विल गेट wavelength, means frequency 9.2 gigahertz, and this frequency we can calculate by using this frequency meter. So rotate that frequency meter and observe the output on CRO. So I am rotating that frequency meter now, and observe, stop the frequency meter when output is varying. जहाँ पे भी आउटपुट स्क्वायर वेव आउटपुट जो है वेरी हो जाएगा, वहाँ पे स्टॉप करना है. सो आई एम वेरिंग दैट फ्रीक्वेंसी मीटर नाउ. सो जहाँ पे भी आउटपुट में थोड़ा भी वेरिएशन दिखेगा, स्क्वायर वेव आउटपुट ऑब्जर्व करो, वहाँ पे स्टॉप करना है. So observe here. ये देखो यहाँ पे कम हो रहा है और बढ़ रहा है. ओके, सो वो पॉइंट पे स्टॉप करना है. तो ये पॉइंट पे रीडिंग लेना है फ्रीक्वेंसी का. यहाँ पे जो है वेरिएशन दिख रहा है आपको, ये देखो कम हो रहा है, तो वहाँ पे स्टॉप करने का है. वो स्टॉप करने के बाद ऑब्जर्व दी दिस इज़ अ रीडिंग्स, दैट इज़ दिस इज़ अ फ्रीक्वेंसी मीटर एंड वी हैव टू मेजर द फ्रीक्वेंसी here. Okay, so in between 9.36 and 9.38 we have stop, that is there is a we get a minima, and we will calculate the frequency, and by frequency meter if we observe the frequency we will get around 9.36 के से ज़्यादा है, या 9.36 आप मेंशन कर सकते हैं, या 9.37, और आपका जो बाय कैलकुलेशन रीडिंग आया है 9.2 गीगाहर्ट्ज़ है. ओके, सो दी इफ वी कंपेयर दीज फ्रीक्वेंसीज they are approximately equal, and we have calculated frequency by using direct frequency meter, and also by method, that is by moving this slotted section and finding first minima and second minima in this practical. So we have completed this experiment, that is a measurement of frequency by finding first minima, second minima, and by direct using direct frequency meter. Here this reading we will get, that is a 9.37. So we'll stop here. We have completed this experiment.